Have you ever found yourself tossing and turning at night, unable to escape the whirlwind of thoughts racing through your mind? You're definitely not alone. A lot of people struggle to unwind and get a good night's sleep. But what if I told you that a simple bedtime meditation could be the key to a more restful slumber? Welcome to our relaxing bedtime meditation video. Tonight, we're going to explore how meditation can enhance your nighttime routine and help you drift off into a peaceful sleep. So if you're ready to embrace tranquility and let go of the day's stress, stick around. Let's create the perfect atmosphere for relaxation together. Stress, anxiety, and those pesky racing thoughts can make it nearly impossible to relax at the end of a long day. You might find yourself replaying events from the day or worrying about what tomorrow might bring. This can lead to tossing and turning, staring at the ceiling and feeling frustrated. Definitely not the way to achieve a peaceful night. But don't worry, there are ways to tackle these challenges head-on. Now let's talk about some specific meditation techniques that can help ease you into relaxation. One of the simplest methods is focusing on your breath. Just take a moment to inhale deeply through your nose, letting your belly expand, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel the tension melting away with each breath. Another helpful technique is body scanning. Start from the top of your head and work your way down to your toes, consciously relaxing each part of your body as you go. This can help release any built-up tension you might not even be aware of. And don't forget about visualizations. Picture a serene landscape like a calm beach or a tranquil forest. Imagine the sights, sounds, and smells of that place, allowing yourself to fully immerse in this peaceful scene. These techniques can transform your nighttime routine, making it easier to drift off into a restful sleep. Now let's put all of this into action. I invite you to find a comfortable position, whether you're sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and out. As you breathe in, imagine filling your body with calmness and peace. Now let's do a quick body scan. Start at the top of your head. Notice any tension there. As you breathe out, imagine that tension melting away. Slowly move down to your neck, shoulders, arms, and with each breath, let go of any tightness. Continue this process all the way down to your toes. As you reach your feet, take one last deep breath in and out. Allow yourself to just be in this moment. Let go of your worries, embrace the present, and feel the tranquility around you. This is your time to relax and unwind. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to recap the benefits of practicing bedtime meditation. It can help reduce stress, calm your mind, and prepare your body for a restful night's sleep. And the best part? It's super easy to incorporate these techniques into your nightly routine. Just a few minutes of meditation can make a world of difference. Before you go, I'd love to hear about your experiences with meditation. Have you tried it before? What techniques work best for you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out my other videos for more relaxation techniques. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more relaxation videos. Check out our created playlist, Instant Calm. It contains more how-to guides on relaxation and meditation. Until next time, keep the music playing, and sweet dreams.